Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Well, I'm still filming with my broken camera. Hopefully I am positioned okay. As soon as I started filming, you guys, I hear this loud, not really loud, but bang, and I'm like, oh no. So I look over and I see that my daughter Nicole dropped a full closed packed soda can. You guys, it went everywhere. It splattered everywhere. It went so far. I had no idea the soda cans can explode that far. I cleaned the first half. I'm waiting for my floors to dry, and now I have to go back and clean second half. So wish me luck, it will be interesting. Today I would like to review new balloons, bubble balloons from Angie's. These are very special and very unusual from, or very different from your typical bubble balloons. I will explain everything while sitting down and showing you everything. And also Angie's is doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. For more rules, watch the video to find them out. Without any further ado, let's go. I'm ready to inflate and test these macaroon color balloons. I am very curious to compare these with regular bubble balloons and see what's the difference, because Angie's, they claim very nice and big things about these balloons. I am very interested to see how that's going to work. As you can see, these bubble balloons, they do have a color. I am curious to know how transparent they're gonna be and what's the quality. If you don't have an electric balloon pump and you want to use these balloons, then please go ahead and do yourself a favor and purchase an electric balloon pump. Believe me, it will worth it, and you'll save so much time. So let's try to inflate these bubble balloons. Regular bubble balloons, you need to stretch them before inflating. Angie's is telling us that you don't need to stretch these, and it will be just fine to blow them as is without stretching, and you will get a perfect round balloon. This is definitely a macaroon looking balloon color. It's very pretty, very settled yellow compared to this. Very nice quality. What's interesting about these balloons that they are not latex. You've been asking me a lot of questions about these balloons, not particularly these, but other bubble balloons, and I always told you that these balloons kind of like plasticky balloons, and that's why I don't use low temperature glue gun, for example, to attach them to my garlands, because even low temperature glue gun just melts through the balloon and balloon is just popping in. So these balloons are actually between plastic and rubber. They do feel softer by the time they kind of like absorb all the air, but they don't deflate. Another interesting fact is that this balloon is reusable. Like what? In my opinion, this is pretty cool. If they're reusable, that's amazing. So you can reuse these balloons again and again and get the most out of them. I will be tying this balloon in a knot, and we will inflate another one, and I will tie it with a rubber band. At the end of this video, I will deflate that balloon and inflate again tomorrow, just to show a difference and see if their claim is true, and if these balloons are reusable, and if these balloons will give us the same result the second time. Let's put this one aside and inflate regular bubble balloon. This is how clear bubble balloon looks. So I will be inflating this balloon exactly the same way as I inflated my macaroon bubble balloon. I'm going to be looking for a perfect circle, because looking at this bubble balloon, it's a very round. I struggle a lot with these regular clear bubble balloons a lot, because one side is more rounder and bigger, the other side is flatter and didn't inflate whatsoever. So I am very impressed by how these balloons blew. A few other points about these bubble balloons: they are biodegradable, non-toxic, can be sterilized. What is happening? Like, sterilize the balloon? I've never heard that you can sterilize a balloon and not ruin it. So this is awesome with everything that is going on right now around us. This is perfect. Sterilize the balloon after you first use, deflate, use it again, sterilize, and use it again and again and again. These are high stretch balloons, which is great as well. You can absolutely inflate this balloon to a larger size, larger than 18-inch, but you need to be careful with that. You need to add air gradually, wait for the air to kind of stretch the balloon, add more, wait and add more, but be careful, because balloons are sometimes unpredictable and they can pop. Definitely see that it's kind of lopsided. I don't know if you can tell, but this side is a little bit flatter, other side is more rounded. I don't know, hopefully you can see, and it's definitely not the perfect round bubble balloon. It can work, but if you're looking for a great round bubble balloon, yeah, let's take them outside, tie them up somewhere, and see how they're going to react to humidity and heat. It's very, very hot outside today. It's around 5:30, closer to 6, so temperature dropping, but it's very humid. So hopefully I'm going to have enough time to compare these together outside. I tied my balloons with 260s balloons to keep them together. I'm going to tie my balloons to this pole over here on our canopy. We finally pressure washed everything and laid our rugs, and this is my tiny garden over there, and I'm gonna hopefully catch as much sun as I can, just to, you know, to see how they will oxidize, or if they will oxidize. Clear bubble balloon popped literally seconds after I brought it outside. It got very soft. I touched that balloon with my nail, and my nail is not that sharp whatsoever, and it's not that long, just a tiny bit, and it popped right away. So this one's holding up very well. So I brought out my second bubble balloon. Because I want to add latex balloon. This is a pink metallic balloon, so we'll see how all three of them will behave outside. My balloons are outside, and I want to test these balloons for their reusability. So I am inflating one of the balloons. I am keeping one of these balloons, probably this orange one, inflated till tomorrow overnight. I will deflate this balloon tomorrow and inflate again to see if whatever they claim is true. I feel like I want to do the same thing with my clear balloons, just to be sure, just to test everything. So let's grab this orange balloon, inflate, and tie it with this little tiny elastic hairband. Have one beautiful color over here, not definitely as orange as it's deflated, but it's very beautiful. I've never used these bands before, so this is my first time ever. Actually, Angie's who gave me an idea to use rubber bands or anything bands like to seal these bubble balloons. Again, you guys, this balloon blew into a balloon beautifully, but again, it's lopsided. all sealed to the side. This latex balloon definitely starting to oxidize. Those two are doing good so far. No oxidation. I don't see nothing. Latex balloons, they will definitely oxidize for sure. Update on my outdoor balloons. They're still there. It's 9:27 in the evening right now. I am planning to keep those balloons outside overnight and come back in the morning and check on them. Hopefully they're not gonna fly away because where we live, it's a wind tunnel and I lost a lot of balloons throughout all of the testings that I did outside, and yeah, hopefully they're gonna be still there. I will still take fresh balloons tomorrow morning and put them out for a few hours to see how these balloons will perform in hotter conditions with sun. And to wrap up my filming for today, I want to inflate the rest of my balloons. I have 4 more colors. I want to see how these colors will look inflated. These balloons are beautiful, colors are stunning, but here's the thing that I noticed. If you look at the front of your balloon or the back of your balloon, you see this even beautiful color. But when you look at the seams, you see a little bit of a darker color, which is fine to me, but just wanted to point out because that's what I noticed and wanted to mention. I'm gonna add a little more air into this balloon, and I guess that the more air you put in to your balloon, the less dark of a color you're gonna have here. So let's fill this balloon a little bit more. I can see the balloon stretching and losing this darker color, but I am putting a lot of force on this balloon and I can feel that the quality is very, very good. I'm not here to tell you only good things about these balloons because I work with Angie's. No, if I don't like something, I will definitely tell you. I've done that before with Angie's and with other companies that I've worked with. If I like a product, I will tell you. One more thing I noticed about bubble balloons, so when you start inflating them, one side blows faster and bigger than the other side, and second side will kind of catch up and even everything out at the end. Well, with clear bubble balloons, it's not the case. It will kind of even itself out, but still one side will go kind of like this and then rounder. With this one side will catch up to another one and even everything out to a round balloon. Angie's is giving away one beautiful natural crystal agate necklace. Look at this beautiful necklace. It has some weight to it. It has a pinkish tint to it. It has beautiful clasps over here in a shape of a rose, and it looks just beautiful, very elegant, nothing over the top, but one beautiful piece to wear. Plus to this, you guys, I will be giving away the rest of bubble balloons. Angie's sent me 6 colors. Each pack had 4 balloons, so it took 1 from each pack, so now there's 3 in each color, and I will be giving the rest of it away. I want to make rules for this giveaway as simple as possible, so you must follow Angie's on Instagram. I will be checking if winners following Angie's or not. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. In the comment section below, leave a comment, bubble balloon, so I would know you want to enter this giveaway, and give us your favorite color out of all these colors. This giveaway is open internationally. I will be very strict with rules this time. You must comment under this video, bubble, balloon, and your favorite color. If you will be commenting anywhere else on my community tab, posts, or Angie's pictures or my pictures on Instagram, your entries won't be counted. I hope I made this clear again and again. Good luck. I cannot wait for you guys to enjoy all of this. It started to rain. I am very curious about these balloons right here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go take them down. No! No! Stop! Oh my goodness. Okay. They are a little bit wet. This clear bubble balloon didn't oxidize. This bubble balloon didn't oxidize. Only this latex balloon oxidized just a bit. This is it for today. I will see you back tomorrow. Day 2, I'm here to deflate my 2 balloons. I am looking at this balloon, kind of inspecting. It's a lot softer than yesterday, but it didn't deflate, it just stretched. And I am curious if it's definitely reusable or not. Here is how this balloon looks deflated. I pushed all the air out and it looks like this. Deflating this bubble balloon, it gets bunched up like this. I don't know if it's reusable or not. The quality of this balloon is a lot thinner than this balloon over here. So let's start with this one. Just as pretty as my first time inflating this balloon. It still has some stretch to it. I didn't have any problems inflating this balloon. Nothing got stuck together, so that's awesome. They are definitely reusable. I'm very impressed by both of the balloons. Even this one looks like is reusable. It does have some stretch as well. Walls of this balloon got stuck together, but as soon as I started inflating this balloon, perfectly blown balloon. As I told you, I want to take these balloons, or I told you I'll take fresh ones, but I want to take these again back outside and test them the second time, because yesterday was way too late, even though it was humid, and today it's kind of like partially sunny, partially cloudy, and I think it's going to be better. Still, this balloon is shiny, so is this one. Definitely they are softer than yesterday. And this one, this is a latex balloon, oxidized, but still very firm and very nice looking. So let's take them outside, let's tie them up. This bird won't give me a break. She wants to put a nest right here. We just pressure washed our entire front of our house, and look what she's doing again. Oh, come on, bird, can't you get an idea that you're not gonna make a nest here? These balloons are outside for 2 hours right now. Nothing have changed since I took them in yesterday and hunt them outside today. They're doing really good. The only balloon oxidized, I mentioned like a million times, is this latex balloon from Vitalik, which is latex balloons always will oxidize. These bubble balloons, both of them, are doing great. I don't see any less shine on them, so I am very happy, especially with this Angie's balloon. I think I tested these balloons long enough. Let me give you one more look at all the colors. I'm very happy with the quality of these balloons. Hopefully this video will help you out in deciding if you want to purchase them or not. I would definitely recommend these balloons. I will link them in the description under the video, and good luck to everyone who wants to enter this giveaway. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you and helped you out in deciding if you want to purchase these bubble balloons or not. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments section below. I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, you guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.